In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror or flip an image in Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's take a blank document from here. If we insert an image normally, we click on Insert, then Image. Then add the image from any source. But if I add an image normally, you can see that there is no option to rotate or flip the image. To mirror or flip the image, we have to insert it in a different way. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, click on Drawing. In this pop-up menu, click on New. In the top drawing menu, click on the image icon. While being on the Upload tab, click on Browse. Now select your desired image from storage. In the top left corner, click on Actions. In the drop-down menu, click on Rotate. In the pop-up menu, you get a few options, but we will use the bottom two options only. If you want to mirror the image, click on Flip Horizontally. This will give the image a mirror effect. Let's go back to the Rotate menu. If you want to flip the image, click on Flip Vertically. This will completely flip your image. After you are done, click on Save and Close. If you need to go to the drawing menu to edit something again, just double-click on the image and it will open the drawing menu for this image. Following these steps, you can mirror or flip an image easily in Google Docs.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.